Hey, Kalam here. This video I'm going to show you how you can join Microsoft Image Generator. It's absolutely free for join. So this link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirect to this website. First of all, I'm going to google.com, then Charles Bing Image Creator. Otherwise, Charles Bing. Then Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. Just click here, then you can see this is a dashboard. Now you need to join. Just click this icon, join and create. Just click. Now how to sign up here? So I three way you can join this platform. Number one, email. Number two, phone or Skype. So I want to create a new account because I don't have any account. Now type get a new email address. Then I type mr kalam take wow at outlook.com. So just click next button, then create a password. So I want to create a password. I recommend you for strong password because this is really important. So I type my name and the Abu Kalam. Just next button. Then I select my country name, then date of birth. You can type your own mobile number, Gmail address, and birth date of birth, your own country, etc. etc. Then click the next button. Your work are already done. Just click next button. Click here. Then okay. Now verification completed. Oh my God! Now I am on my own dashboard. You can see Microsoft Bing. Just join and create. Just click here. Then wow, this is a really attractive and beautiful image are also available here. You can download any photo for art. It's absolutely free. So if you want to more video, please subscribe my channel. Turn on notification. We'll see you again. Take care. Goodbye.